As practitioners in the transportation industries, we're focused on our day-to-day operations of our companies. Many of us are trying to grow our companies. To grow, we need to make the right decisions. Exposure and information plays a large role in making calculated decisions to help you grow. Understanding how trucking fits into transportation is important, but also understanding how transportation fits into the whole global economy is essential. I'm currently on a journey working to master this information. One of the most important processes to learn is the supply chain. The supply chain is a process of taking a good or a commodity from a raw material to a finished product. This is a large and complicated process. One of the goals of this process is to find the most efficient and cost-effective ways to get goods from production to the end consumer. Disruption in the supply chain process will cause higher prices and product shortages. I'll give you a simplified example of how paper production would look in the supply chain process. So paper is sourced from trees. So a company will actually go and cut the trees down. The logs will then be shipped or transported to a processing plant or factory to be converted into paper. After the paper is produced and packaged, the finished product will be transported via sea, rail, air, or ground to a warehouse facility. From the warehouse facility, the finished product will be shipped to stores and directly to the consumer. Transportation plays a vital role in the supply chain process. At almost every step, transportation is needed, whether it's via sea, meaning cargo ship, rail, meaning train, air, meaning planes, or ground, which could be a semi-truck, box truck, cargo, van, etc. Today, more than ever, we can directly see and feel the effects of disruption in the supply chain, with shortages across the board, inflated prices on raw material, consumer goods, vehicles, backlogged ports, rails, yards, and etc. The pandemic shutdown was a major disruption, exposing some of the major weak points within the global supply chain, like aging infrastructure, lack of visibility, outdated technology, and lack of collaboration. Fixing issues in the global supply chain will take a global effort. It will be a lengthy and expensive process, but our small community of trucking companies can definitely help. 97% of trucking companies in the United States have between 1 to 5 trucks. We play a large role in the supply chain process. We may not be able to fix some of the major issues in the supply chain, but we definitely can help. One thing we can do today is provide more visibility in our shipments by utilizing technologies such as telematics to provide up-to-date information to shippers. Hopefully in this video I was able to provide you with a little introduction to the supply chain process. There are tons of literature and articles about this topic. Check them out and let me know what you think in the comments.